Hello and welcome again. First question for you. Do you ever have a blank t-shirt that you do not know what to do with it? Or because of that, you never use it? Well, let me tell you something that will blow your mind. Iron on art. This is a do-it-yourself project and it's very simple to do. If you know how to do this and you want to skip the video, I suggest you to check the description. There is some arts that it will blow your mind how cheap they are. Now let me show you some examples of how to do this kind of project. Watch this.
This is an iron-on art. This is you take it off your pocket. You put it in. You peel it off. And then you press it over here. Very carefully. And then the instruction says to press it in there and get a piece of fabric or top. First I'm going to make sure a little piece of paper in case and I will put a towel on top. And it says to press it in circular motion, no paper, for 30 seconds. Done. There you go. It's supposed to come out very easy. On the hook. And the art is done. I'm gonna make another one. And it's the same, simply the same technique. Take them out of the bag. 5.
For instruction, well, you follow the directions in the back of every package.
Alright. And this is done. Let it cool down a little bit. And when you wash, you're supposed to be washed by hand, inside out. Voila!
One other thing, the items that I show you in the descriptions, they already have the saving. But if you like the store and you like and want to buy anything in there, you just, for more saving, use my code. The code is right there on the description. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye now and happy learning!